In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Google Forms. Start by heading to Google Forms. From the Forms homepage, open a blank form so you're starting with a clean slate. As the editor loads, you'll see a prompt card labeled Help me create a form. This is where Gemini can do the heavy lifting. In that box, describe exactly what you need, the purpose of the form, who it's for, the kinds of questions you want, and any answer formats you prefer. Being specific helps a lot. For example, mention if you want multiple choice, short answer, or linear scale, and note any must-have topics you want covered. When your description looks good, click Create. Gemini will generate a preview based on your prompt. Take a moment to scan titles, sections, and question types to make sure they match your intent and tone. If it looks right, click Insert to add everything directly to your form. If it's not quite there, click Retry to generate a fresh version and iterate until it fits your needs. Small tweaks to your prompt, like clarifying the audience or tightening the scope, can noticeably improve the results. With the initial structure in place, you can quickly add more content. On the right side toolbar, click the Add Question plus icon. In the question panel that appears, look for the Gemini prompt icon. Depending on your layout, you'll find it either in the question settings or at the top of the form. Click it, then type a short prompt outlining the new section or question you want. Include context, the desired response type, and any options you want suggested. Click Create to let Gemini draft the item. Review the suggested questions to confirm the wording, difficulty, and format. When you're satisfied, click Insert Suggestions to add them to your form. If the suggestions miss the mark, try a tighter prompt that states the objective, target audience, and preferred format, then generate again. When you're ready to check results, open the Responses tab at the top. Scroll down to the summary block for any open text question. Here, Gemini automatically generates a concise text summary of the responses, surfacing common themes and key takeaways. If you want to keep that write-up, click Copy to save it elsewhere. If you'd like a different angle, maybe more concise or more detailed, click Retry to generate a new analysis and compare. And that's it. You've used Gemini in Google Forms to draft a form from a prompt, expand it with smart suggestions, and summarize open-ended responses with a single click. With clear prompts and quick previews, you can build and refine high-quality forms in minutes.